Hi everyone. So today we'll discuss about SAP GUI or SAP Logon Pad installation, right? So we have in the marketplace. So these are the GUIs are available. So these are the this we have to install in the presentation layer. So where we can log in from. So from the SAP GUI to SAP application server. So if you want to launch SAP application server, application means SAP screen. If you want to launch SAP screen, you need SAP GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Okay. So now we see how to install this SAP GUI. So log into the service marketplace, log into the service marketplace. From there, you can see the versions here. So what? So we have to download, right? We have to download the versions. So you can see here, currently we have SAP GUI for Windows. So this is the 770 is available here. 770 is available here in the marketplace. So our 780, 783, 780 also available here. So you can see, otherwise you can search it here, SAP GUI, SAP GUI for some Windows. So you will see the versions here. You will see the versions here. Here 7.70 or so 8.00. The versions are available here. So we'll go for N-1 approach, 7.70. This is a successful version. Every customers they are using for their client missions for 7.70. Just open this one, then just download this one. Just download this one. Then you can see here, when you are downloading, it will download as one zip file. Download as the zip file, this one, right? Just open this zip file. Here I have downloaded here. Then extract it, right? Extract all. So then the zip file will be extracted. Then open the folder. Open the, so inside of the folder here. So here go to the GUI, Windows, Win32. Here you can see setup all .exe. Just double click on it. So here it's saying that, do you want to open the silent mode, or do you want to go server mode now? So no, which means server mode means backend it will be installed. So silently it will be installed in the backend. Just click on the no button. It will give the prompt us. It will give the prompt us. Sometimes, normally, some organizations we have to install it manually in our desktops. Otherwise, some organizations it will be deployed automatically by their IT teams. So for safer side, if you know this concept, so we are good enough, right? Just click on the next button, just close it, then select the SAP GUI. So if you have this add-ons, so PDF print, some work, so if you have this one, you can select these things as well. So if you don't have SNC, then if you don't have some other functionality, these are the functionality. If you don't have anything, just select the SAP GUI, just click on the OK button, then just click on the next button. Okay, then the installations will be start, right? So this SAP GUI installation preparation activities are the some free space required at a Windows level. Linux also we can do the installation. The mandatory thing is, so there is a VC runtime. There is a binary VC runtime binary. We have to install it. Without this one, this VC, this is called the C++. So Visual C++ binary. This is one of the add-on. It's required on top of your operating system. So without this one, it cannot be installed. So make sure you have already this virtual runtime, virtual distribution already installed. Then the installation will be continued. See how fast this is getting installed. How fast this is getting installed. So like that, we have to install the SAP GUI. We can installation is successfully completed. Then just close it. Then go to, so now go to your desktop. There is an icon will be installed here. See here, this is the icon, SAP GUI icon, SAP Logon icon. So using this icon only, using this software only, we have to log into our SAP systems. Okay. So make sure So you have to configure the entries here. You have to configure the entries here. Suppose example, so suppose example, if you see, if you want to change the design, theme design settings, suppose you want to signature theme, if you want to some other Blight themes, some blue crystal themes, you can change the signatures. So font settings, if anything you want to change the font, you can change it, right? So there are color settings. You have the some color settings also here available. So here color settings also available. You can change the, if you go to the here SAP GUI, here you have the 3 bars options. Then here, so you can change the settings. You can change the settings here. So whatever you want to change it, you can change the settings and everything here. Traces for the where the logs will be stored. Security logon options. Here you can see here the configuration files. SAP UI.xml file. So this is the XML file location. Some organization, the XML file location, we have to change it. Then go to the here, you can just change the path. Some organization, there is centralized location, we have to change it. So you have to type it. So you have to change the location to here, right? You have to change the location here. Then all SAP GUI entries, all the SAP systems will be populated here, will be appeared here. So for that one, what you have to do, you have to go to the here options, then so go to the SAP logon options, configuration files. Here you need to change the configuration file. So currently this is configured the local. If you have already there, some organizations they will maintain the centralized they will maintain it. So that for that one, you need to configure the centralized path here. Automatically GUI will pick it out. Then you can do that one. So whatever the entries are you are configuring in the SAP logon pad, all will be recorded in the UI landscape.xml file. It will be recorded, right? After you changes up this configuration file either locally or globally, just click on the apply and OK. Then close it, then open it. Then the entries will be populated here. The appeared here. The SID systems will be appeared here. Okay. Now you see the theme is changed. I changed it to the different theme. Now theme is changed. So like that, you need to adjust your logon pad settings based upon the requirement, right? Some organizations locally we have to configure it. Some organizations they are centralized. They will maintain the UI landscape, XML file and everything. For that one, you need to configure the path and everything. Just click on that one. You will see the entries here. You will see the entries here. Okay. This is the way we have to install the SAP logon pad. And if you want to change the options, you can change it. If you want to create the entry, just click on the connection. Then next here you can enter the description of the application server name SAP and application server name where you installed the SAP instance number SID. You have to enter it. Just click on the finish button. Then the entry will be populated here. Then if you double click it, you will log into the SAP screen. Right? Make sure before you configuring, you have all the parameters should be in the one notepad. Otherwise, so you need to search it. So here, like suppose like SAP ECC description, you can put anything like SAP ECC development. Okay. Then application server name, SAP Windows, suppose like where the host name, instance number, suppose like the instance number we will give during the installation. So SID, ECD, we can put it out like our SID is the ECD. Then this way we can configure it. So here, if you have the SNC already enabled, so you have to enable it. If you don't have SNC, this one, the network settings, you can configure it. Click on the next button. Then language, suppose if your default is the English, if you want to different language, you can select the different languages here. Then click on the finish button, the entry will be populated here. So like that, we need to add the entries here. Okay. So thank you.